What's up, everyone? Welcome back, and today I have a little bit more of a shorter video. I just wanted to kind of give you guys the next steps on what's going to happen with the F80 here, and some things that are coming up, and what I've got right now, basically. So the thing that excites me the most with this new car is that I'm able to do a lot of new things. I'm able to introduce a lot of new products. I'm able to work with a lot of new manufacturers, vendors, suppliers, companies, and therefore also kind of targeting and reaching a whole new demographic of people. So yeah, it's an M car. It's an F series. There's a lot of new things, and it's a car that I've never been able to put out there myself. I've carried a couple things, but I've never really been able to say, like, I can vouch for it. I've ran it for like 7 years, and anything like that, like the E92. So I've got some basic, just some stuff here. So nothing crazy, but I just picked up some stuff just to kind of test. So this is some of you have probably seen this, but the carbon center trim console. Now you've got like your carbon overlay. Here it's a fully replaceable piece, and you got your Alcantara cover, so pretty cool for the DCT. And just small things I'm really excited about, small things that I think will make a big difference to me, maybe not for you, but to me. And I'm just stoked, honestly. I'm just so happy I can have a new car, be able to market a whole new platform, gain a whole lot of interest through social media, advertise it and market it like crazy, be able to put it out there for people, and it's just super exciting, super exciting. I think that's probably the biggest thing for me, is just the fact that I can just, there's nothing against the E92. I have nothing against it. I love it. I still have it. It'll be my pride and joy, and kind of like where it holds a special place in my heart. But this F80 is a beast, and there's a ton of people out there who are in the same boat, and I need to just, it's an opportunity too good to to pass up. So I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna dive right in. I've got a ton of things on order, a ton of things on the developmental side. I'm working with a bunch of people, and we're just gonna dive right in. It's gonna be crazy. And before I do go further, I do want to ask you guys 100%. I want you guys to be extremely candid with me. What do you think I should do with this car? So I have some news I will tell you as far as what's gonna happen with the E92 and something else I am working on. But for this car in particular, what do you think I should do? I'm thinking pretty basic. Put on some nice meaty tires on there, some suspension, and just have a really nice driving daily driver. I mean, that's my thought. I have plans for a different vehicle that I think is gonna be more of the bigger picture, if that makes sense. I don't know, show car, if you will. And I think this one's just gonna be a little bit more of a, just kind of have fun. I'll let the wife drive it. It'll maybe be on the track a couple times whenever that's ready to go, and then I think just a fun car just to daily drive. I'm not thinking too much, but I'll do what I can. I'll do all the basics: full bolt-ons, tires, wheels, suspension. I mean, what I think is pretty basic might be all the way for some of you guys, but I think I want to just keep it pretty simple. I'm not going to do anything like wide body or air suspension or roll cage or anything like that for that car, but I think I'm just going to go pretty basic, in what I consider basic. So let me know, put it in the comments below. I want to go ahead and kind of see what you guys think. I'm pretty excited. So I wasted no time. That thing is in. It's legit and perfect. I mean, my goal, I think what I want to do with the interior is everything subtly carbon. So what's carbon now, I think I'm going to change to honeycomb carbon here. This handle, the basics. And then I'm going to do an Alcantara accent all the way around. So I think these seats will all be Alcantara. This will be all the boots, I'll have some like Alcantara carbon mix going on. Probably like the door card, I don't know, but pretty subtle. I'll have carbon steering wheel, all that kind of stuff, but I'm gonna try and mix it up on this one just a little bit. Alright, and then so I am gonna go ahead and give my car a quick car wash, and I'm probably gonna head out. It's really a beautiful day outside. It's probably somewhere in the 60s, clear skies, sunny, and my car is just needing to be driven. So I'm gonna take off here. It's a beautiful day, and I hope you guys enjoy too. I'm gonna go ahead and just say, put in the comments below what you want to see, and then we'll go from there. I'm excited to have this opportunity to share with you guys. I'm gonna have you guys be a part of the build. I wanna hear what you guys want to recommend. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of do a mix of some performance. Obviously, I've gotta have some of the aesthetics, some interior, some suspension and handling, some tuning. So we're gonna do a little bit of everything. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and take off, and we will see you guys on the next video. I would bring you guys with me today, but I don't have my driving car mount, so I can't do my POV driving right now. But I'll do that next time. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Keep it this short. Peace.